welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sharina. If you would like to see how I created this look, just keep watching. Okay, first I'm starting off by using the Anastasia Soft GLAM palette. The first color I'm using is going to be burnt orange for my crease area as a transitional shade. And this color is a matte light brown eyeshadow. And to deepen up my crease area just a little bit more, I'm going in with Sienna, which is a medium reddish brown matte eyeshadow. And I did apply Mercier setting powder just to catch any fallout that I received from the eyeshadow. And to save time on the video, I went ahead and applied my foundation, setting powder, and concealer. And to deepen up the outer corner areas, I'm using Marbury, which is a brown reddish matte eyeshadow, to give my outer corner just a little bit more depth. And I'm just packing that same color into my outer corner just to get the desired look. And for the lid area on the outer corner portion only, I'm using Sultry, which is glitter. It's more of a chunky eyeshadow. And again, you saw where I used the brush, but to get a better payoff, I used my finger instead. And as you can tell, I did receive a lot of fallout with this eyeshadow. But overall, the eyeshadow is very beautiful. And I'm just focusing that eyeshadow color on the outer corner of my eye area only. And for the inner corner eye, I went in with Rose Pink, which is a shimmery mauve eyeshadow. And I'm just mixing those two colors in to get rid of any harsh line or demarcation with the eyeshadow. And I went back in just to apply that eyeshadow Sultry, just to clean up the line area. And just using a blending brush just to blur and clean up that outer corner area. And I'm using, just to give me a little bit more shimmer on the lid area only, I'm using Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in Catcall. And this is more of a medium pink glitter shade. And I'm just applying Sienna underneath my lower lash line area. And to tightline the under lower lash line area, I went in with Marbury. To bronze my face, I'm using Makeup Forever Pro Bronze Fusion in 35i. For blush, I'm using MAC Pink Swoon blush. And for highlighter, I'm using Artist Couture LaBronze highlighter, and I'm taking a beauty blender just to press that highlighter pigment into my skin to give me more of a natural finish glow. For lip pencil, I'm using MAC Cork lip pencil, which is a light medium brown shade. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Nude Du Jour, which is a rosy matte lipstick. And as a topper, I'm using NARS Velvet Lip in the shade Bound. Guys, this completes the look. If you like what you've seen today, make sure you give me 2 thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!